Good morning, everyone. I hope you're doing well, staying safe, and getting through all of this mess. Here with the Toronto Real Estate Board statistics for March. Those just came out today. So as always, just keeping you posted on what's going on, regardless of what's happening. It's good to keep in touch. So let me obviously state the obvious. What a strange month. We really had a break in the month from the first half to the second half with respect to what happened with both sales and prices to some degree. So I'll go over that. So the first half of the month, first 14 days were crazy strong. We had a 49% increase in sales volume over last year, which is awesome. And everything was looking like it was going to be a repeat of 2016-17. Then we had a pandemic. And then the second half of the month, we saw a decline in sales volume of 10.5%. So not to be, no surprise there. I mean, that's pretty much expected. So the price thing I found interesting. So overall, we had a price increase of 14.5% over the entire month of March over last March. But the interesting thing about that was that the where we saw really an interesting number was that in the last half of the month when things slowed down, we still had a price increase of 10.5%. So that's very interesting. I mean, there's probably a lot of reasons for that. I think a lot of people are selling who need to sell and will also be pretty firm about the price that they want, and they're those people that took their homes off the market maybe were the ones who felt like they could wait until another time. But having said that, there's certainly a couple of pockets in the city that I've seen that have been driving those prices up. So who knows what's going to happen for March. I can't wait to see the numbers for April. I can't wait to see the numbers for April. That's going to be really interesting. But I have not seen too much of a decrease in price in a lot of the areas, just less inventory. That'll probably change. Who knows? It's all unprecedented right now in uncharted territory. So what that brings us to is an average price in the 416 of $1.425 million for a detached, and just over $1 million for a detached in the 905. And then the condo segment, which is always very strong, as you know, in Toronto, the price rose pretty dramatically there to an average of $716,000 and change. So for those of you that want to buy, for those of you that want to sell, for those of you that need to have, clarity on what's going on, because for various reasons, maybe this is more important to you than others, just reach out and let us know. We're here to help you anytime. And, we can't provide anything but the facts, right? Just the data at this point. And I won't make any predictions. Who could really at this point? But what we can do is just give you the data that we have on hand, and hopefully that's helpful. So be well, take care, and reach out if you need us. And we'll see you next month. Bye for now.